Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's my first Halloween cake video of the year. So I love Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year, more than Christmas. I don't know, there's something about Halloween I just love. The decoration, the spookiness. So anywho, I'm gonna show you how to make this adorable cake. Super simple to make. And if you guys wanna see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So as you can see, it's a very simple cake. I stacked my cake and I did my first coat, my second coat of buttercream, and the buttercream recipe is in my description box down below if ever you're interested in it. And so yeah, but you can do buttercream, you can do Swiss meringue, you can also do ganache, whatever you're choosing, that is fine, perfectly fine. And then what you're going to do is you're going to melt marshmallows, and using clean gloves, you're going to take some of the marshmallows and then you're just gonna spread it and then just place it on your cake, and it's going to create a really adorable like spider web. And then you can place a spider at the top, and then I finished the look with beautiful sprinkles at the bottom. And I'm telling you guys, these sprinkles, they come from Sugarella. You have to check out her website. She has amazing sprinkles. They're so beautiful. They're all mixed in. They're like, seriously, it's amazing. They look almost like art. So check out her website, sweetapolita.com or sweetapolita.ca. You can also use my code. I have a code for you guys, Liliana Springs 15 for 15% off the entire website. So also that will be linked in my description box if you want to follow the link and then just go ahead and look at that. Like, she has really nice stuff. So, and that is it. Very simple cake, the first cake of the year for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.